Developments coming in on the story as the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has now assured action against the leader, Rajiv Gowda. So remember, this case will draw a lot of criticism and flack. The BJP is already up in arms. They are demanding the removal of Rajiv Gowda altogether. And now this fresh response from the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka claiming that action is going to be taken against Rajiv Gowda really is not going to settle the matter, because in this case, this is a female civic official who was in fact abused literally. There were expletives hurled at her by Rajiv Gowda because he was unhappy over the removal of an unauthorized banner at Shidlagata in Chikkabalapur district. And this is the matter that's now been taken up by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Despite this version and this latest reaction coming in from D.K. Shivakumar, is that going to be enough to settle the matters is the big question. My colleague Afreen Hussain with all of those details. Afreen, that entire purported audio clip that is also going viral, that is making matters worse for Rajiv Gowda definitely. And now there is also an official comment that's come in from D.K. Shivakumar of action that is going to be taken against the leader. What is next?
Well, absolutely. D.K. Shivakumar and also the district in charge minister M.C. Sudhakar, both of them have assured the municipal commissioner that appropriate action will be taken against Congress leader Rajiv Gowda for the alleged abusive language that he's used against her. The district in charge minister has also said that he's contacted the SP and has asked him to file a complaint under BNS, appropriate sections of the BNS. Now, this is the response that is coming in from the Congress. D.K. Shivakumar has also said that whoever has done wrong, he or she shall be punished in this particular case. That is Rajiv Gowda. Appropriate action will be taken against him. This is what the Congress has assured the municipal commissioner of Shidlagata.
Right, and now that the BJP is up in arms and they are crying foul over this entire vile mouth spewing venom that has literally emerged from this entire story, where Rajiv Gowda is not just hurling abuses at a civic official, that to a female.
Absolutely, the BJP has taken this up and they've also attacked the Congress as to what kind of high-handedness is this leader showing. He's not only threatening that he's going to burn down her office, he's also telling that I'm going to get the public to beat you up with slippers. Now, this is the kind of abusive language that Rajiv Gowda had used against the municipal commissioner, who's a woman. She repeatedly says in the audio clip that please don't use such language against me. You're not supposed to talk like this. I have taken whatever action I have taken on the basis of a complaint that has come in, that the banner that was put up was in the middle of the road, and that's the reason why I've asked them to take it off, and it's in the office. She goes on to defend herself repeatedly in the audio clip, but Rajiv Gowda continues to abuse her and threaten her in the entire audio clip. However, Rajiv Gowda has also issued an apology late last night. He goes on to say that if I have hurt her sentiments, I am really sorry about it. I ask for her forgiveness. But is this sorry message enough is the question.
In fact,